Hey there. It's your friendly neighborhood sex educator here, ready to dive into a topic that's often shrouded in mystery and misconception. Yes, today I'm talking about vaginas. But not just any old talk. We're exploring the wonderful variety and what really counts as normal. So buckle up, because we're about to get real about the incredible diversity down there. First off, let's shatter a big myth right here and now. There is no one-size-fits-all when it comes to vaginas. Like faces, they come in all shapes and sizes, each with its own unique characteristics. Some might be more hidden, while others are more prominent. And colors? They range from light pinks to deep browns. It's like a spectrum of awesomeness. Now, you might have heard terms like innie or ooty, and no, we're not talking about belly buttons. These terms often refer to the appearance of the labia minora and labia majora. An innie means the labia minora are nestled within the labia majora, while an ooty has the labia minora peeking out. Both are perfectly normal and common. Moving on, let's talk about symmetry. Just like many parts of the human body, perfect symmetry isn't a rule here. It's totally normal for one side of the labia to be longer or slightly different in shape than the other. It's all part of what makes each vagina unique. So what about grooming trends like shaving or waxing? Well, how you choose to style your pubic hair is entirely up to you. Whether it's fully shaved, all natural, or something in between, it doesn't affect the health or function of your vagina. It's all about personal preference and comfort. Lastly, let's address the health aspect. While variations in appearance are normal, it's important to know when something might need a closer look. Signs like unusual discharge, persistent itching or discomfort should not be ignored and are good reasons to check in with your healthcare provider. Remember, being informed and attentive to your body is key to your health. To wrap up, whether your vagina is an innie, an ooty, asymmetrical, or any other type, it's important to embrace it. Every vagina is unique, and that variety is totally normal and absolutely worth celebrating. So let's ditch the stigma and start loving the skin we're in all its diverse glory. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to understanding and appreciating our bodies. See you next time.